Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to go over skincare today and also some amazing, very popular trending skincare devices. So I thought it would be great to show some of these products and the order that you would apply these on your skin. And then also let's go over each of these products, what they do for your skin, what are they supposed to do, what are the benefits? And then if you have any questions about these products, leave your comments below because I'm here to talk about it. As a master esthetician of over 20 years, I definitely have an opinion on skincare. So let's get into it. This is a mixed, unsponsored video. I'm just sharing the products that I have here that I use. And also, I get so many questions about some of these brands. So let's get started. The first product here is the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this one. It does come with these cute little prongs, which as a master esthetician, I love that. Now with these pore pads, you can see there are two sides. So there's a smooth side and there's a textured side. So you start with the textured side. This is after I have cleansed my face. So this is the first product I'm going in after I have washed my skin. And you basically just want to go in an upward-outward motion, avoiding the eye area. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about these as I use these. So these are AHA and BHA. The Pore Care Complex sweeps away dead skin, sebum, and buildup. It cuts excess oil 47% and visibly reduces pore clogging. So I really like to use these on my nose where you would get like clogged pores and blackheads. So this preps the skin so later products absorb better, which just makes sense because as you're cleaning out your pores and getting off any like makeup that you didn't get off with maybe your face wash, you are just opening your pores to allow the other products to soak in better. So once you have done the textured side, you will swap over, and I don't know if you can even see that, but there's a little bit of makeup that even came off on this. I do a double wash, but you never know. That's why it's great to use something like this. So swap it over and use the soft side, and that way you can just make sure that you get all of the product on your skin. And you can go down onto your neck as well. These are great for normal to combination skin. You can use these 2 to 3 times a week. Look at my skin just with that one product. I feel like I just cleaned out all of my pores. I absolutely love how those feel. Woo. Next, I'm going to go in with the Point of View Drench It. This is a hydrating rice water, niacinamide, priming, and plumping hydration. So it's kind of like a toning milk. And you can see even the texture is a little creamy. If you have not gotten into the milk toners, oh, they are so wonderful. They feel so good. I am such a fan of anything that's super hydrating too, so I love it. You can even go right under your eyes. I always take my excess product and spread that onto my hands and onto my arms, of course. So this has biopeptide complex and it has 2 times ferment vital complex. So it's really great for your skin. It's going to, like I said, plump and hydrate. The first serum that I'm applying today is the Medicube 1-Day Exosome Shot Pore Ampule 2000. That is a mouthful. Let me tell you about this. So this delivers growth factors, proteins that stimulate collagen and elastin. Refines pore appearance, smooths texture, strengthens barrier, boosts radiance, and supports healing of scars and fine lines over time. Ooh, and it tingles. I do know that this will cause a little bit of redness, so you might see my skin get a little red because that happens with my skin. If you're a little sensitive, you might want to test this out and just see how your skin handles this. If you have sensitive skin, do a spot test. As a master esthetician, I have tried so many different face peels, like all the peels. My skin has peeled like an onion many, many times. So I actually prefer active products as long as I can swear by the ingredients. It feels really good. It's not too bad. It's not like stinging. It's not horrible, but you can just feel like that is definitely active. It's tingly, but it's not burning at all. Just need to always have something on my lips. So I'm using the lip balm from J Love Beauty. This is my everyday and every night. And this will stay on for hours. I love it so much. The next serum is the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. You may have seen this. It's such a cute serum. I love the bottle. I love the color of the serum. So this is rose PDRN plus peptides plus niacinamide. This targets dullness. It boosts elasticity, smooths texture, evens tone. It's a deep hydration, strengthens barrier, and it helps to soften fine lines over time. So I'm just going over that last serum. You can see I'm just blending this. When you apply serums, you just basically want to go in an upward-outward motion. You never want to pull down on your face. I get a lot of questions about serums and what are serums compared to just regular moisturizers. Serums are more expensive because they're just more concentrated. So you're getting more ingredients and more products in a smaller amount. And that's why they are usually at a higher price point, but they last longer because you only need a couple drops. So you still need a moisturizer even if you're using a serum. You can see that has already absorbed into my skin, so I'm just pressing that in. A good rule of thumb with serums, you really don't want to apply more than 2, maybe 3 serums, because after a certain point, your skin just will not absorb anything. It just can't absorb that much. So you see a lot of videos on YouTube and TikTok where they're just like applying serums and product. Really, the good rule of thumb is no more than 2 to 3. And it really depends if they work well together as well. Now, I do have a night mask here. This is the Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. It's collagen extract. So this is really great. It has niacinamide as well. You would use this at night. It even comes with this little wand here that you can apply. I love those. I love these because they're just great. It doesn't waste product, and I really like applying masks with those. So this is what I would do in the case of a PM routine. If you are interested in that one, you can ask me more questions in the comments. But today, because I am using the HR Booster Pro, I'm going in with the collagen jelly. If you have seen this, this is so much fun. This must be one of the most popular or trending like skincare products. When this came out, it was like, what are people putting on their face? It's super cool. It's literally like jelly. I mean, Medicube makes really adorable products, but they're also effective. So look at this jelly. It comes with this little wand here. Now, if you wanted to just go straight to the device and you don't have this, that's okay. You can apply your serums and go straight in with the device, and that's going to soak those in and just make your skin absorb the product a lot quicker and better and deeper. But with this Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream, I'm going to show you what it's like to use this with the device. This is hydrolyzed collagen plus niacinamide, firm, hydrates, and plumps the skin. It's a gel cream texture. It gives dewy glass glow finish without heaviness. So basically you just want a generous amount, and this is going to go on your skin. I know I'm gonna drop this. And you can go into your neck as well. One thing to note about collagen serums and collagen jelly creams is that your skin doesn't actually absorb new collagen. What happens is the product goes into your skin and activates your own collagen production. So that is where you have to make sure that you're using a product that is a collagen booster. Mint Pear has a collagen booster, so even though they're called collagen serums and collagen products, it is a collagen booster. Now you want to go down onto your neck with this amazing gel, and then where we're going to use the device, we just want to have this kind of all over because we're going to have that device just soak in this product in all of our serums. It's going to help enhance that and speed up that process. And then take any excess and just spread this onto your hands. Take care of all of your skin. Now, while I use the Medicube device, I'm also going to put on this LED neck mask that I have here. This is from Cure. I use this probably 4 times a week. I absolutely love this. I love how it fits perfectly for the neck and the décolletage area. And here is the Medicube device. Oh my goodness, I get so many questions about this device. It's so funny. Like, I have so many devices, but for some reason, maybe the marketing on this one or how they have just made this so popular on TikTok. You've seen it different colors. It's like white, there's a pink one, and this one is the Booster Pro. HR Booster Pro is the one that I have. So if you have questions about this one in particular, just ask me in the comments below. So basically, you just turn this on, and there are a few different modes. So booster mode, and then
microcurrent mode,
microcurrent,
dermashot mode, level 1.
Dermashot mode. I know with Dermashot mode, you are not supposed to have any products on because it clears out your pores. So basically, booster. So with this device, it's a 6-in-1 device. It has all these different modes. There's a booster mode. It has the line MC mode, elasticity, Dermashot mode. It has an air shot mode. So basically, for all these modes, you can use skincare except for the last one, the air shot mode. You use this on dry skin. It basically is going to like clean out your pores. But for today, let's go ahead and use the first one, which is booster mode. And of course, because I'm crazy and I'm a master esthetician, I want to go.
Air booster mode.
I like
level
that
1.
it talks to you too. See,
Level 2.
I'm gonna go up.
4.
Let's go to level 4. And it vibrates, and there's LED. If you like to put on a lot of skincare, but you just don't have time to wait for that to soak in, this is a great way to speed up that process, as well as all of those amazing benefits. Microcurrent, EMS, microneedling sensation, LED, and sonic vibration. Boosts product absorption, adds radiance, supports elasticity, counts for you, and facial contouring. I do have an entire tutorial on this, so if I link it here for you somewhere, I'll put it somewhere if you want to watch a very detailed review that I made on this product. But today I just kind of wanted to show you how I use this on an everyday scenario. And as you use this, you will feel the product absorbing quickly into your skin. You'll just kind of see it become more tacky, and all those products that I had will just be absorbed into my skin by the end. Another device that I just wanted to share with you, because this is something that I use like 3 times a week. This is the 4D mask by Joves. This is actually not LED, it's laser, so it's super intense. I do have a video on this one. I'll link it for you here. But this is like a wonderful product that I really love, and I go all the way up to like the highest level and the highest amount of time, which I believe is 20 to 30 minutes, and I can use this like 3 times a week. So I really love this one. Benefits of this one obviously are smaller pores, minimizing fine lines, and just getting that overall radiance and glow for your skin. So I really love this one, and I will pop this on with that neck mask, and those are days that I'm not using the Medicube. One final step, I love JLo Beauty eye gel masks. So as you can see, I didn't really put on any eye cream, and you really need to make sure that you're not skipping that area and you're taking care of your under eyes. So for me, these are a must. These take about 10 to 20 minutes depending on how much time you have, but it will leave a little bit of product left over, and you'll just blend that right in just like eye cream, but I like this because it just concentrates that area, and my skin underneath my eye area just looks moisturized, it looks hydrated. This helps with dark circles and bags. So if you are tired and you just need a little bit of a boost, these are so wonderful. These are by JLo Beauty. And there you have it. I think that was a super fun video to just go through all of these products, but if you have any questions about any of these specifically, leave your comments below because I'm here and happy to help. And honestly, in a day routine, so what I'll do after this is I'll just let these stay for another 10 minutes or so, and you'll see that your skincare will soak in. And then if I just want to go in with makeup or SPF, I'm good to go. Look at my skin. Look how beautiful and radiant it is after this device and after all of these products. I love it. I'm obsessed with skincare, so hopefully you are too. But if you have more questions, leave your comments below. I'm here and happy to help. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more videos like this. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Take care and have a wonderful day.